Hello and welcome to That's the Point, your one-stop shop for all things construction positioning technology. My name is Corey Meyer and I'm flying here solo again today in the studio because we got a quick one today, and that topic is the Trimble Ri firmware updates. In this video, we're going to walk you through the steps that you can take to update your Trimble Ri to the latest and greatest firmware. So again, just like the Trimble X7, this is going to be a remarkably similar process, but this is an important step. So it's important to remember that as Trimble releases new versions of FieldLink, new dot releases, generally speaking, they're going to release a new firmware version as well to make sure that you're able to take advantage of all that new capability on all the new features that could be available in later versions of FieldLink. So if you need to, just go ahead and download from right down below. You can download the latest guide, and that'll have a quick matrix to show you firmware versions versus FieldLink versions to make sure that you get up to speed on the proper one that you're running on your controller. So to do this update, you're going to need just a couple things. So obviously you're going to need a Trimble Ri with a full battery. So I've put the battery in there, I've powered it up, so it's kind of gone through its initial startup routine here. So we have the Ri. You're going to need a tablet or a connected PC or laptop that has Trimble Installation Manager on it. That also needs to be charged if it's running off battery. So we've got a T100 here plugged in, and it's also connected to the internet. And then we also need that USB to Hiroshi cable. So this is the same one that they use in the Ri. So we're going to take this, we're going to plug this in. The Hiroshi end is going to go into the Ri here. So we're just going to connect that. And then we're also going to connect the other side of this to the tablet. So there we go. So we're all connected, we're ready to go. So if we jump over here into our tablet, the first thing we're gonna do is wanna open up Trimble Installation Manager. I have a link on the desktop. So we're gonna tap that. We're gonna say yes. That's gonna open up Trimble Installation Manager. And Trimble Installation Manager is it's gonna ping the Trimble servers, and then we're just gonna go down to the Optical and Scanning tab. We're gonna select the Trimble Ri then, which makes sense. And then we're going to hit connect. All right, so once it connects, it currently checks to see what the current version is of your firmware and everything else about your Ri. Little pro tip, you can actually see the date of your hardware expiration date down there. So we can actually see the date right here in this view as well if you're curious of when that was for the Trimble Ri. But what we want to focus on is up here, the version. So you can build this drop down just like the X7, pick whatever version you want. In our case, we want to do this latest release, which is the 3.2.247. So that's properly selected. So we're just going to then tap install. It's going to then load the Ri firmware update tool. It's going to automatically boot into that. And this is where you have to remember, you have to have a fully powered tablet if you're using a battery or laptop, and then also a fully powered battery for the Ri. So it's going to read those out, so we're good to go. And it's going to give our current version and everything else, all the information right there. We're just going to tap update, and the firmware will then update. All right, and as the update's running, you'll hear lots of beeps. You can actually see the power light is actually flashing like you can see here. But then that's just it going through the process of updating the firmware and going through the process of several different steps to making sure that you're up to the selected firmware version. Once it's completed, it will give the update successful, and then the unit will automatically power off. You actually heard the tone to say that the unit was completely updated, and then it'll shut off. We're gonna hit close, and we can just tap finish in Tim's as well, and that's it. That's really all there is to it. Strangely familiar to the Trimble X7 process, fancy that, but naturally, we're here for you. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to reach out to your local Building Point representative, and also don't forget to smash that subscribe button so you're notified of the latest tips, tricks, and pointers that we have here at That's the Point. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.